Okay, here we are at Hell's Kitchen, sunshine, huge dump. Okay, you're on camera now. Hripko's, he's pulling a CH. Come on, I've only got 6 meg of, or 6 gig of memory in here. Here he comes. A couple quick tight turns, you're good. You're on TV. Oh, there he is. Oh. Professional. Come on, a little closer, a little closer. Smile for the camera. So, how's that for your confidence run?
That was strong.
That was. You, not so much.
I feel like I've just shot a 112 in golf. I feel like Hank right now.
We just have to keep just going down. We're almost there. Couple tight trees. Not bad.